Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 22nd, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 13.1 cents, up 2.77% with volume down 10.62%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.3 cents and a low of 12.8. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,524,983,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 12,933,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 309,848 holders, up 25. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 35.2%, number 2 is Gate.io with 12.37%, and number 3 Upbit with 11.95%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 205,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.